Hey everyone, it's Vivian.
Hey guys.
This week, I decided to do something a little different. I'm using the new Insta360 Go Ultra to vlog my entire week, just capturing the real, simple moments as they happen. No pressure, no script, just life the way it flows. It's my first week trying this out, and honestly, I'm loving how small and easy it is to carry everywhere. So here's a little peek into my quiet week, and there's more coming next week too, so stay tuned.
No, I'm trying to complete the transcript.
Sorry, what did you say? We have all items for hotels. Yes. We have all bathroom room amenities. Bathroom amenities, cleaning equipment. Yeah.
The devil's main strategy is to keep you in the darkness of sin. He uses shame as a tool to keep you trapped. But that's where Jesus comes in. He's the light, he's the way, the truth, and the life. He wants you to open up to him. He wants you to release your past, release your guilt, release everything at his feet, and he's able to cleanse you and make you whole.
I have a flu, but I still have to go to work. As a small business owner, you still have to show up. As a small business owner, you still have to show up. And if you don't show up, there's no money coming to your account, you know that, and you need money to pay bills. So I'm ready. I've been sneezing a lot since morning. What will I do? I still have to go to work, and I have some orders to send out today. I was supposed to test out the mic and see if it's going to work on the Insta360 because this is just my go-to camera right now. I have Sony ZF-Z. Z1F or ZVF, I mean just the Sony one, but this is my go-to camera right now because I'm a shy girl and I want to try and vlog in public. If I go get groceries, I want to be able to pick one or two newbies. You understand? So getting ready. I don't actually have work shoes. Hey, I need to get a ballerina flat, so I think that's what I'll be using for work for now. But I only have like one sleeveless left. All my sleevelesses are all bad, and I don't think I want to take them for repairs, and because once I start fixing, it's all over. So just read one I want to wear today. So let's do some outfit check. Okay, so I'm going to look. Okay, adult. Okay. So this is my outfit check. My pants are tailored actually to my size, so it has a very nice fitting. They're just a boutique pickup. I think it's literally all. Nothing much. My necklaces, definitely if you're in Abuja, you can get your necklaces from 𝐷𝐷𝐻. 𝐷𝐷𝐻 market. My earrings are from Temu. They are dented gold earrings, so they haven't faded. So I actually love that for them. This is like a go-to earring if you want to get earrings from Temu. Very fine. I got the set for 2,000 or 5,000. Was a set of like 20? Yeah, I think so. So I have a lot of it, different sizes, different designs, but they are still intact. And I've been using them for like 2 months now. It's good. So I don't think I'm wearing wig today. We are not doing wig. Yeah, so let's just get ready and move. I don't think that I'm going to carry any food. I'm just going to get water because I don't really have appetite. I'm not really tasting anything like that. So yesterday I took paracetamol. I just needed a rest. If you look at my eye bubbles, are quite not clear, so I need a lot of sleep. Okay, that's chit chat for today. I will see you guys when I'm out. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so I'm back home. I don't know, but I think I'll be speaking more from now. So I just got back home. This is should be, I think I've been home about an hour ago. It's like 6:45. I'm going out with my friend, so we're going to like get we're going to get Arabian tea. I want to sit and have Arabian tea. I've been sneezing since morning. I took my tablet. Actually, I took a tablet. I went to the pharmacist and I got a tablet, I think 𝐷𝐻𝐿 or something, for my sneezing. I was able to buy masa. See, I didn't even eat it. Not really eat it with the soup. You can see the plate that I used. I've never washed. I've been sitting like I've been really tired. So let me see if I can go. If I take the Arabian tea, probably I'll be more better. Who knows? I'll be more better than the way I'm feeling right now. So I'm just going to spray some perf. I don't have perf at all. I need to shop. I'm using SI. Just quite strong, spicy pep, but I still love the YSL. It's kind of like go-to soft perfume. The ones that I left are just strong. Strong. I'm gonna go in with just to like soften it a bit. 𝐵𝐸𝐸 Dreams. 𝐵𝐸𝐸. It's like a Turkish perfume. So work was hectic, so I didn't really sit at all to vlog anything, and I was sneezing a lot to vlog that. But if I can't, then I'll pick you guys up when I'm back, or that'll be tomorrow morning. Okay, today is Thursday, so we're ending the vlog tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, so we end the vlog. Try to edit it on Saturday, so definitely be going up on Sunday. Okay, so the vlog started on Monday. I'll try and add some clips of when I first tested the Insta360 Go Ultra. Okay, the first time I tested it, I think we went to the airport with a friend, so you need to see the clips. It was very, very good. I think that was an outdoor shoot, so it was very, very clean, and I was using the chest mount, so it was pretty good. So I will definitely add that. I will add that to the clips, but I would liberate tips for Saturday. Well, okay, enough of the chit chat. Let's start going. So